Okay, guys, so that's basically it. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes and then it should have dried by then. And yeah, I'll wash it off and give you guys an update. Ciao. Quick update, it's tingling. Not bad, but it just tingles a little bit. And as you can tell by the way I'm speaking, it's tightening around the face. And because I had a lot left, and apparently it's really good for hair growth, I put it all over my edges, especially this side, because that line is just decreasing like mad. And I just basically took it as far as it would go. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's about 30 minutes now, and as you can see, it's drying very nicely. It looks so weird. Look at all of this. Hi guys, so I am back and my face is clean now. So I'm just letting my face air dry before I go in with my squalane oil from The Ordinary. But yeah, I did see a difference in terms of my hair, because usually when I wash my hair, I have lots of split ends that fall out. Lots and lots and lots of them that just fall out in the shower and then they just swimming in the water. But I noticed that when I was washing my hair, I hardly got any. So I don't know if that's because I didn't go in maybe like with my fingertips as I would have with shampoo. But I did notice that being the difference. In terms of my face, it feels smoother. That one, definitely does feel smoother. Thank you. She dropped her phone, she's coming back. It does feel smoother, and so yeah, so I'm excited, man. I'm excited for this skincare journey, because trust me, behind the scenes I have been going through it, honey. Okay, I have tried turmeric, I did the Nizoral because I self-diagnosed myself with fungal acne, so I did the whole Nizoral, the whole Avene face soap cleanser, epiduo. I've done the whole thing, guys. I've done the whole palm oil, if you don't know. I've done the whole palm oil, the honey, the sugar. Listen, I've done it all. I've done the whole benzoyl peroxide. Oh, the benzoyl peroxide actually did work because I got that from the GP and actually did clear out my forehead a bit, but not a whole lot. So I'll be back on Wednesday to give you guys an update, a 3 days update, and hopefully we should see results. Okay, we should see eyebrows growing, because this quite frankly is childish. Okay, why are you not grown? Okay, like, you need to behave. This is childish. So I need brows, I need my edges to come back full and stronger, and I need clear skin. Hi guys, welcome back. As promised, I did say I was gonna come after 3 days to kind of show you guys my skin and if I'm seeing results and anything like that. My skin is really soft now, like it's smoother, and I feel like the bumps on my forehead especially have sort of like reduced, in a sense where it's not, I think it has reduced, but it also has like pushed back, if that makes sense. So it's not poking out, like all my spots are not poking out. Another thing I have noticed, remember I said I was going to add it on my edges and my eyebrows. My brows are still behaving a bit childish, but my edges are like, there's little tiny hair that's like coming. So I don't know, I think that will kind of take some time. But in terms of my face, I am seeing an improvement, which is a good thing. Now, day one, when I started this face mask, it was itching. Oh my goodness, people keep telling me that, oh yeah, it's itching because it's working, but it was really itching. And majority of the people that I watched on YouTube didn't have this problem. Either they did and they didn't mention it, or they just didn't have this problem. So I don't know, but for me it itches, and I've kind of, now doing it after 3 days, I kind of know the portion size that I'm kind of looking for. So it's reduced a lot because I also add it to my smoothies, and yeah, so, and I eat it sometimes, like I just I eat it. Yeah, basically just taking 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon, the mistake I did as well, I added water. You're not supposed to add water. This is it, you just do it like this, so it glides perfectly fine without water. So I just add 1 tablespoon, and then that's it. So literally that's enough for my skin and my edges. So yeah, let's go ahead, we push this back a bit so I can get it all in there. It's so cold. And also literally, like, when you're doing it, yeah, just be quick because it tightens your face so much that I can literally talk. I can't even talk when I'm doing it because that's how much my skin feels so tight when I'm putting it on. So tight. So now for my edges. If you're just doing it for your face, you only need half a tablespoon because this is how much I've got left. But because I'm doing my edges as well, so I put a bit more. But you only need half a tablespoon if you're just doing your face. Hi guys, I'm back, and it is the final day of my CMOS mask, and as you can see, well, I hope you can see, there is a difference. Okay, there's a difference from the video to the 3-day to now. Okay, this is it now. This is my forehead. And remember, I did say even if there wasn't going to be a dramatic change, that there would at least be some change. Also, my skin has become really soft, and this part as well, this, like, my cheek area has cleared up. I am breaking out in terms of like the heat though, but apart from that, like without the heat or anything, my skin has been doing amazing. So I'm quite excited about that. I'm not going to be doing the CMOS mask every day now, but I will be doing it at least twice a week from now on. And I'm also going to incorporate some natural face washes and some cleansers as well, just to boost, you know, just to get things rattled up quickly in there and get clearer skin, honey. Okay, so I'm really excited. Okay, so get into it, don't watch my lace, just get into the forehead. Okay, that's what you came to see, so focus. So yeah, so I'm quite excited. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you got this far of the video, thank you so much. If you guys have any other tips as well for skincare, drop some comments down in the comment section and I will be happy to read them. Okay, bye now.